Ever been deep in a Final Cut Pro project and everything just grinds to a halt? You're trying to scrub the timeline, the preview stutters, and you spend more time looking at the spinning beach ball than your actual footage. This is an incredibly common problem, especially on Macs with insufficient memory. In this tutorial, we're going to cover practical, professional tips to optimize Final Cut Pro and make those heavy projects run like butter. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the single biggest factor for Final Cut Pro performance: memory. Apple Silicon uses a unified memory architecture, which is incredibly fast, but it means the CPU and GPU share one single pool of memory. There's no separate VRAM for video tasks. When your project demands more memory than your Mac physically has, it creates high memory pressure and starts using your SSD as slow virtual memory. That's what causes the major slowdowns. For serious 4K editing, 16 gigabytes of unified memory is the absolute minimum, but 32 gigabytes is the professional sweet spot that will keep you out of the red and ensure your machine runs smoothly for years to come. To work around performance limits, Final Cut Pro offers powerful tools like Optimized and Proxy Media. When your timeline feels slow, it can be due to a difficult camera codec, a very large frame size like 4K, or both. The best all-around solution for a smooth editing experience is the Proxy workflow. Using proxies is faster for two key reasons. First, it transcodes your footage into an easy-to-edit format like ProRes. And second, its primary job is to shrink the frame size down to a fraction of the original. These smaller frames are dramatically faster for your Mac to process, which means smoother playback and higher performance with effects. For any 4K project on a machine that's struggling, a proxy workflow is the #1 solution. To do this, just check Create Proxy Media on Import and choose a ProRes proxy resolution. Then, in the viewer, switch from Original to Proxy Preferred. This one change will have the biggest impact on your editing speed. Now, a quick but critical warning. A common mistake is to edit in a 1080p timeline for performance, and then upscale to 4K on export. Do not do this. While your video clips might look okay, any titles or effects you created will be stretched out from 1080p, resulting in soft, unprofessional graphics. Always set your project or timeline to the final delivery resolution and use proxies for performance. When you want to apply the same effect or color grade to multiple clips, the professional way to do this is with an adjustment clip, a fantastic new feature built right into Final Cut Pro. Just drag the adjustment clip from the titles browser and place it above your clips in the timeline. Now, any effect you apply to this one clip will affect all the clips beneath it. This keeps your project clean and makes changes incredibly fast. But here's the real magic. When your timeline gets slow, you don't have to hunt for every effect. Just select that one adjustment clip and press the V key. This completely disables the selected adjustment clip, giving you instant smooth playback. When you're ready to export, just select it and hit V again to turn everything back on. This helps you reduce the number of manual steps and save editing time. Finally, let's talk about intensive plugins like noise reduction. A modern plugin should work with your system, not against it. Neat Video 6, for example, features an intelligent optimization engine. It analyzes your Mac's CPU, GPU, and overall system load in real time, and automatically balances the work between them to get the job done as fast as possible. Official benchmarks show this allows Neat Video 6 to deliver render speeds up to 2 times faster than previous versions, getting your final export done in a fraction of the time. So let's recap. Choose an Apple Silicon Mac with at least 16 gigabytes of unified memory. If possible, aim at 32 gigabytes. Use a proxy workflow to reduce frame size on 4K projects. Always set your timeline to the final delivery resolution. Use the new native adjustment clips to manage heavy effects efficiently, and leverage smart plugins that optimize for your hardware. By combining these professional techniques, you can conquer timeline lag and focus on what truly matters: your story. Thanks for watching.